Using a unique combination of video, text lessons, exam prep, and interactive lab simulations, TestOut's PC Pro is an all-in-one training solution that helps students develop the skills they need to become an entry-level IT technician. Upon completion of the course, students will be well prepared to take TestOut's PC Pro certification exam, as well as CompTIA's A+ 220-1001 and 220-1002 certification exams. TestOut's PC Pro is powered by labs in our interactive simulation technology. Throughout the course, students are given real-world scenarios that will prepare them for tasks they will encounter on the job as an IT technician. Students will get valuable practice with common tasks in Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, installing and configuring hardware, basic networking and security, troubleshooting common problems, and a new sandbox lab that lets students experiment with a wide variety of hardware. And because LabSim is hosted online, students can practice when, where, and as often as they like. If you're an IT instructor, request your free access today.